Yeah, it is. Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here. F250 King Ranch. Super clean, 23,000 miles on it. Drizzled here last night, so we got a little raindrops on it, but this truck is that nice. I took it on trade out, a young man out of Kentucky. Bought a new Ram from us. This truck is as nice as you'd expect. Factory Michelin's on it, chrome wheels. Here's a look at the left front tire. They're not new, but I can tell you this, they're certainly not wore out. Got power boards, crew cab, everything on it. Spray in Bedliner. I'm gonna show you everything about it. Let me show, let's see how it is when it's running. This was a gentleman's daily driver. Was not a work truck, wasn't used as a work truck. He pulled a trailer occasionally. He's got 25, 30 cars and kind of a small car collection, but other than that, it wasn't like equipment or anything on it. It's all there. Let me show it to you. Of course, it's got a spray in Bedliner. It does have the fifth wheel and gooseneck prep kit. Got the wiring on the inside. Got the bed lights, of course.
Oh, it's a truck.
Hitch is already on it. Got the power boards as you would expect. King Ranch interior. Does not smell like smoke. Rear window defroster. Has a panoramic sunroof. Here's the floor mats in it. They're brand new. Got heated second row. Driver's door, of course. Power windows, power mirrors. Programmable seats. Got power pedals. Power seats. Heated seats. Ventilated seats. Let me show you everything else. Look at the dash, 23,600 miles on it. Of course, it has navigation. Audio would be AM, FM, satellite. Climate controls, of course. Phone. Has all the apps. Satellite, Bluetooth, of course. Here's the heated seats, cooled seats, fan up or down, brake controller, four-wheel drive system. Does have adaptive cruise control on it. Super nice. Auxiliary switches above, hopefully you can see them. I'm going to open the hood and I'll show you more about it. Hey, looking at it running, I've got the mic off, so I'll put it over the top that we can hear it run. This truck is bone stock. Doesn't have any modifications to it. It's really kind of nice. Call me this one. It's as new as you want. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information, that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.